family vlog is today's style. As per your request, I have come to the Electric City to find a vintage camera. My budget is 7,000 yen, so around 50 USD. And for that I want something that works, has a battery, and is also digital. Since I need to get my footage the same day, not send it off for like, I don't know how long to get it like, discovered. Alright, I went over the budget by quite a lot. I feel like I was lied to by YouTube Shorts. Who could have guessed? If they say something's vintage and affordable, what they mean is they probably got paid for it. Okay, I don't think they did, but it was definitely not affordable. It was 2,600 yen, so around $160. And yeah, these weren't even like vintage, these were like from my childhood. So I know I could get the same thing used for like $20-30, but I guess this is the extra price you pay if you want something now. But what makes up for it is that I feel like I found the perfect camera. Like, look at the shine on this bad boy. It has a chubby fat battery that is fully charged, so it should last a day. It has internal storage for like 8 hours or 18 hours of footage with micro SD slot. It has a mini USB slot to actually get the footage off right now. Tons of zoom, and the best function ever. It has a digital analog, completely useless zoom in functionality. If you touch here, bam, it zooms in, and you can see like it lights up blue. This is so unnecessary, but so cool, especially considering you can just zoom in with this button as well. This camera is me. Okay, so from this point onwards, everything you see and hear will be from this camera, the old digital camera. No special effects, no sound effects, just the good old times. So I feel like the quality might be a bit too good. It looks great. What the hell? Like, I can do an intense zoom into the bottle, and if I hit the right spot, I can read everything. This is not possible with my other camera. Also, I don't know, I've kind of missed the zoom vibe. Like, there's a specific feeling you get when you zoom things with a digital old camera, and this is hard to recreate. So I guess even though it looks good, it still has the nostalgic vibe, I guess. So just like adding a filter on top of a camera. Do you know where we're going today? Huh? Huh. They have the winter, they have the ticket machine, but they have like a winter edition of it. Oh, that's so cute. We made it. Disneyland. Woohee, yippee, yoo-hoo. Yahoo! Wait, no, that's Mario. I think I've made another Disney adult, because she just can't get enough of this. I mean, to be fair, it is pretty magical. King and Walt Disney. Also, I've never seen anything like this before. People are just sitting around, like having a picnic. That's weird. Holy shit, that's a lot of people. Even in Disneyland, we can't escape the manhole covers. They haunt us every day, every night, nowhere we go. Where are the cards? Where are the manhole cards? You can be a princess. You just need to be in line for like another 15 minutes. How would you comment on your first Disney ride?
Amazing.
Was it worth 20 minutes? She said yes. Bro, you gotta check out these vending machines. They're like next level from Disney Sea event. That's pretty epic. Very retro. Holy moly, that's a boat. Goddamn Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra. This is like the train crossing at Ueno. You know, one train at the bottom, one train at the top, and the train at the bottom is the dock. I was talking about the dock. Look at the majestic. USA
私たちの船を何と呼んでいるんだったかな。煙突から煙を吹き上げるところから水深が変化したようです。
Disneyland is like one of the only places where the Premier Access, or I guess Fast Pass, is one of the cheaper ones. Though the only thing is, they just barely exist. Splash Mountain was the only one I could get a Premier Access for today. Like literally the only one, aside from like a very baby attraction. But it's 1,500 yen, so that's like $10, which, okay, never mind, now that I say it out loud, it's still pretty expensive. Have a zippity-doo-da-day. I would say pretty good. I like the ride. Fun. 5 out of 10. How do you rate the ride? -10. What the? Yo, it's Chip and Dale. I thought they were statues at first, but then they start moving. Nad käituvad täpselt samamoodi nagu nad tegelased peaks käituma. Sest nad on päris. Look at them. They even got all the real, they acting like the real characters, my god. What drip are you wearing today?
Kaltsukas. 7 aastat, 6 aastat tagasi asunud. Once. Best ever. Belgian härts. Sall. 10 aastat vana. Ei, ma olen Superman. 6 aastat vana.
Me too, please. Nyt on filmiksi, jos mä vain ennen käymään. Nonsense. Nonsense. Family Mart. Family Mart. Oh, maybe Uniqlo. Bands. Off the shelf, or off the wall.
Best ever, va?
Yes, best ever. Design Festa. Family Mart. This is how it used to be back in the day. You never saw the vlogger until they found a mirror. I think what I'm doing might be illegal because I have a Canon or a Victor, whatever, not Fujifilm. Another themed vending machine. Look at this. This is Mexico. This is Mexico. This is this is old America style. Buffalo wings. Yeehaw! So since there's a dance program for kids like nearby, started 10 minutes ago, this entire place is full of strollers, for they're eating good tonight. And who said the birth rate is declining here?
そういえば出発する前、駅で機関車に水を補給していたんですが、気がつきましたか？彼らの家はティーピー。彼らはとても親しみやすくて。
The train ride would have been better if it was brighter. So this is the Pirates of the Caribbean. Do you want to watch Pirates of the Caribbean now?
Check. Mickey here.
Also, one thing to note that definitely would have been better to show during daytime is the little fact that I didn't know before, which is the patented Disneyland go-away green color. So all the infrastructure and things they don't want you to see, they paint in green, but they're specific patented green, so you don't notice it. It's kind of cool, I think. At least I think that. The wait time to eat, 45 to 60 minutes. Man, you cannot do anything without just waiting for an hour here. Gotta get the shopping done as well. Ain't a Disney trip without spending even more money. Daruma collab. Daruma collab. Nourishment time. We're gonna food eat. Gotta get that mini USB, otherwise I'm not gonna get the footage from the camera. Alright, Family Mart didn't have them, and I thought Donkey might have them, but it seems more like they just have two types of cables, but different colors. So I'm gonna hope that I have one at home just by accident or by buying something old. Right, the battery is dying, but I still needed to actually connect to the PC and upload all the files. So I'm just gonna say, Jane for today. Bye bye.